Khobote Special Judge Protection of Children from Sexual Offences POSCO Court of Tungsang Longshitong Izongbra Fesla Kura Nishna Molesting and Rape Nijor Student Opur Kridia Karni accused Namang Chang 25 years jail saza dibole Judge Kudishe Koina Jonai dia ase. Reported accused Namang Chang Toili Southung Study Center El Khel Tungsang District Warding Kritaksha Aro Tatebra Hatsa Hogina Court Kantu Alag Section of India Penal Code and POSCO Ekasabti Guilty Kam Kugina Takya Pajashakudi Ase Itukani accused Opor Court Kantu 20 years rigorous imprisonment Aro 5 years simple imprisonment Hesabti Saza Utai Digina fine of rupees 30,000 imposed Kridia Ase. Khobote itu vidictoli April 20 tarik declare Krugena Ase Aro Judge Longshitong Authority total of 25 years Jonai Digina itu judgment Kridia Toli minor choto school bachakhan opur rape hatsa karni justice anidibo nimite fesla Kridia Ase. Alag media platform ti NDPP BJP PDA coalition government oporte misinformation circulate kuri thaka oporte NDPP BJP coalition khan joint statement logina reaffirm kuri thaka to strength and unity of alliance toli pola kinika thakse itu hesab takot asya aro PDA government smooth function kurgena ja thaka minister KG Kani aro temjen imna along koidia ase. Lok Sabha election te Naula oporte koidia asabtu result outcome party khantu humanity and respect for the citizen hesab accept ekta se koidia ase. Aro ULB election ti NDPP BJP accept Eastern Nagaland jurisdiction na hoile Nijor constituency hesab understanding te contest kurgina tinta council ti friendly thaksha aro itubra PDA government teamwork effect rana ko dia ase. Itu karni coalition government PDA khantu section of society khanki unity oneness takot kurbole appeal kurdigena good governance logena public serve kurbole committed kridia ase. State pitote petrol diesel price hike kurgena government opor criticize kuri thaka khatabra jan lobole thaka tu ja kalibra diesel lagadam 3.31 price per liter uthai digena common public opor duk digdar ani thaka dekhibo pare ase. Government of India khan 1st July ja kalibra 3 criminal law launch kudigena law hesab criminal khan ke book kurbole ja thaka oporti state government khan pi price hesab na kurgena 3.31 rupees per liter uthai dia tu public karni relax pabole chance kumta sikili ajikali petrol diesel laga dambra logena saman sopki dam baragena ja thakan mite ko dia ase. Ajikali monsoon season joli thaka alag region state bra flood aro nodite missing report khobor paigena ja thaka homoiti Nagaland state capital Kohima aro Simnu district brapi panite jan hara jaina thaka report pailoi ase. District Disaster Management Authority khan report di thaka asabti Simnu district Sendinu village Songjilek pura hara jatu ja kalisam pasbaji inikatamti rescue operation team khan recover kurdisha aro Wesinglo camp 26 years to 27 years of age identify kridia ase. Aro ja hapta Thursday din Kohima SG colony Duzuvuru noditi pani laga force pra 25 years mota ekjon loija missing report diena search operation conduct kuri ase ulipi last recover kubole napargena ita tak pichar thakya koya ase aro hatsa connection ti viewers khan ke kubole mon thakya tu ajikali state bhitor barish hotai din ai thakya karni pani laga level uchi thakyan mite hosher kubole kodia ase. Report state bhitor diarrhea bemar rukhai dibo karni alag district ti stop diarrhea them logina 2 moina campaign rakhibole ko ase through hygienic and ORS standard hesab tem. Campaign program Tungsang district ti additional deputy commissioner Tungcham Bemo Tungoitu health workers especially asha aro angawati workers khan ki dedicate kurgena importance of hand washing and clean drinking water, especially bacha khan ke dibole koi dia ase kili itu monsoon piriti alag alag bemar ulai thakan mite koi dia ase aro itu modern world of science and technology ti diarrhea bemar iman asani bra hatabole hojase hulipi diarrhea hatabole tu proper hygienic and step of preventive measures safa safi kurgena bacha khan ki khelabole khabole bishi important ekta thakya koi dia ase